OK，好，今天我会一口气把这个东西讲完。那么，今天要学的是7.2跟7.3。那么在7.2哈，我们学的是 probability of the complement of an event。OK，complement 是什么意思？complement 是不包括 ，OK，not included。就比如说我们要 A 不是 set A，OK，它的 complement 就是 not include A。所以就是外面这一边的东西 ，OK， 外面这边的东西，你 complement 你在 set 上边学过了。那么今天我们要讲知道一个 complement， 所以 complement 就是 of a probability 就是一减它的 probability。OK， 比如说你看 the probability that the computer network of a bank is offline on any day is 1/25。OK， 就是它 offline 的话就是 1/25，OK， 它的 probability。所以我们要找的是 probability that the computer network of the bank is functional on Wednesday。OK， 所以我们知道它一定是会 offline，OK，for 1/25。OK， 所以我们如果要找它其实是 functional 的，我们就直接用1减掉 probability of A， 所以1减掉 1/25， 你会拿到 24/25。OK，1 是代表什么？ 1 是一定会中。OK， 一定会中。OK，let's say 这个 In a case, there are green and yellow chips. If a chip drawn at the random from the case, the probability that it is a green chip is 3/7. Okay, so 64 yellow chips are in the case. Okay, calculate total number of chips. Okay, 所以 green 就是 3/7 嘛哈。Okay, y 是 yellow. Okay, number of y 是 64. 所以 probability of green 是3/7。那么 probability of y 我们不是拿 green 就是拿 y 嘛，对吗？所以 probability of y 就是1减掉 probability of green， 所以1减掉3/7等于4/7。OK， 然后过后 probability of y 是4/7， 所以 probability of y 其实是 number of y 除 number of sample space 等于4/7， 所以 number of y 是64， number of sample space 等于4/7， so cross multiplication， so 4 times number of sample space 等于7乘64，所以 number of sample space 就是7乘64除以4，所以 number of sample space 等于112，所以 total number of chips 就是 the case is 112。OK， total number 肯定就是 number of sample space。那么我们来看 ，OK， 我们来看题目。题目讲的是 The probability that it rains on any day in Taiping is 3/7. Calculate the probability that it will not rain. Okay, will not rain. Okay, so 会下雨就是3/7，不会下雨是 OK， 所以我们这样子说 Let event of rain in event of let R become event of rain on Sunday in Taiping。所以 probability of complement of R 是1减掉 3/7， 所以答案就是4/7。OK， 我们再看第4题。In any hockey match between Malaysia and South Korea, the probability that Malaysia wins is 1/6, and the probability that South Korea wins is 1/2. Okay, calculate the probability that a particular hockey match between Malaysia and South Korea ends in a draw. Okay, in either win or either lose, right? Okay, we know that Malaysia and South Korea wins 的话就是这个 probability， 所以你 Malaysia win 5/6就是 South Korea lose 哦， 1/2 Malaysia win South Korea win 1/2 Malaysia lose 哦。 Okay, but then how do we know? Okay, they end in a draw. End in a draw 就是 the impossibility 嘛 right， 所以我直接1减掉这两个 probability。 OK， 所以我们 let event of Malaysia win the M equals to event of Malaysia win the match, K equals to event of South Korea win the match. Okay, so probability of M union K OK complement is 1 minus OK 这两个加在一起 OK 加在一起会变成4 over 6 so 1 minus 4 over 6等于2 over 6 OK simplify 1 over 3 OK 这个就是我们的 probability 它们会 end in draw OK 我们再来看 number 6 In the mathematics society of a school, there are lower form members and upper form members. If a member is chosen at random, the probability that the member is from the upper form is 3 over 7. If there are 48 lower form members, calculate the total number of members in the mathematics society. Okay, so we know that upper form is 3 over 7, then guarantee lower form is 4 over 7, right? So 4 over 7 equals to 48. Then the total number is how much? Okay, so let's just do a simple one. Let U become even of upper form members is chosen. Okay, S 是 sample space. So 我们先找 complement of U 先。complement of U 就是lower form 了咯。So 1 minus 3 over 7就是4 over 7. So number of complement of U 就是刚刚我们算的那个48咯。Number of sample space 就是我们所有的，跟等于 probability of U complement. So 48 over NS equals to 4 over 7. Okay, cross multiplication, then you will get number of sample space equals to 48 times 7 over 4. Okay, so number of sample space is 84. Okay, so the whole student in mathematics society is 84. Okay, after this, okay, 这个是 7.2. After this, 我们要学的是 7.3. Make sure 你做完 7.2, okay, except 我刚刚讲的 okay, 你才进 7.3. Okay, 好 7.3 是 probability of a combined event. Okay, so 我们的 combined event okay, 是 resulting of union and intersection. Union and intersection, okay, 我希望你还记得set 里面学的 okay, 所以我们有3个 step. First step 是我们要 list all the outcomes okay, 跟 sample space and determine number of sample space. Okay, so 我们要 construct possibility diagram 或者是 tree diagram if necessary. 如果不需要你就不用写So list all the outcomes of a combined event. 如果是 A or B 就是 number of A or B 就是 A union B. A and B 是 A intersect B. Okay, guarantee guarantee 是这样子。所以你的 step 2你要 determine 它的 numbers. So step 3就是算它的 probability. 那么 probability 就是 number through number of sample space. Okay, 所以我们就这样。所以我们看这个是 SPM 的In the diagram, box M contains 3 balls labeled with the letters A, E, V, while box N contains 4 balls labeled with the numbers 1, 2, 8, 9. Okay, a ball is drawn at random from each box. Okay, list a sample space. Okay, hence list the outcomes and calculate the probability of obtaining okay, a letter A or an even number, a vowel and prime number. Okay, so 我们先画那个 tree diagram. Okay, 我们先抽 draw box M 所以是 A E V， 然后我们再抽 N 1289 1289 1289。Okay, so 我们的 outcome 是 A1 A2 A8 A9 E1 E2 E8 E9 V1 V2 V8 V9。所以我们 list 完我们的所有 sample space， 所以我们会抽到 A 跟 E A 跟2 OK 就是我刚刚讲的。所以我们的 number of sample space 是12。所以我们这边a letter A or an even number. Okay, so 我们先 Q 是 event of obtaining a letter A from box M. R 是 event of obtaining an even number from box N. Okay, so Q 是 letter A 嘛 letter A got A1 A2 A8 A9 所以我就写完它。Okay, letter R 是我们拿 even number, so A2 A8 E2 E8 V2 V8. Okay, so Q union R 就是全部的 Okay, so number of Q union R 就是8，所以 hence probability of Q union R 就是 number of Q union R true, number of sample space 8 over 12 所以 2 over 3 same goes X 是 event of obtaining a vowel okay from box M event of Y 是 event of obtaining a prime number from box N 所以我们的 A 是 X 是 A 跟 E 的嘛所以有 A 跟 E 的 Y 是 prime number 只有2所以是这个所以 X intersect Y 我们只有 A2 跟 E2 所以 number of X intersect Y 就是2 so probability of X intersect Y 就是 number of X intersect Y over more sample space so 2 over 12 so 1 over 6 OK 我们来看题目所以题目这边讲Okay, box A contain 4 cards, can number 1 to 4. Box B contain 3 cards, numbered 1 to 3. Okay, a card is drawn at random from box A, another card is drawn at random from box B. Okay, complete the following possibility diagram to show all of the possible outcomes in the sample space. Okay, so 我们要找 the sum of two numbers is even or more than 5. 跟 the sum of two numbers is even and more than 5. Okay, so we'll complete 那个 possible outcomes. Okay, so the sum of two numbers is even or more than 5是 Okay, 我 let E 就是 obtaining 它的 sum 是 even. Okay, B 是 obtaining 它的 sum 是 more than 5. So 我的 E 跟 M 我就 list 出来先。Okay, so 我的 event of two numbers sum is even or more than 5 or 的话就是 union 所以 E union M 所以我把所有 union 的我写下来所以 number of E union M 就是7所以我刚刚的 number sample space 是3 times 4所以是12所以我的 probability of E union M 是 number of E union M 除以 number of sample space 所以等于7除12So number of the sum of two numbers is even and more than 5. So 我们 even and more than 5. Okay, 所以是 E intersect M. So 我只有两个 So number of E intersect M 就是2. So probability of E intersect M 就是 number of E intersect M 除以 number of sample space. 2 over 12等于1 over 6. Okay. 再来看第12题。So the table below shows the number of red, green, and blue cubes in box A and spheres in box B. Okay, 所以你看啊 box A 有几个号码 1, 2, 3 box A 有6个号码 box B 有3, 2, 4所以是9个号码所以是 a cube is drawn at random from box A. Sphere is drawn at random from box B. Okay, random So I calculate the probability that a red cube and a green sphere are drawn. Okay, 抽到 red cube, 抽到 green sphere, 所以这个跟这个 The cube and the sphere drawn are of the same color. 所以抽到这个再抽到这个，抽到这个再抽到这个，抽到这个抽到这个 OK 好所以如果我们有这样子 intersect 不是 intersection 我们可以直接用两个 probability multiply 在一起所以你看啊 red cube 跟 green sphere 所以我们抽到 red cube 跟 green sphere 是 probability of red cube times probability of green sphere 所以 red cube 是1 over 6 times 2 over 9 green sphere okay times 会拿到2 over 54 simplify 1 over 27 then after that the cube and the sphere drawn are of the same color so 我们是 probability of red cube times probability of red sphere plus probability of green cube plus times probability of green sphere plus probability of blue cube times probability of blue sphere 所以是1 over 6 times 3 over 9 plus 2 over 6 times 2 over 9 plus 3 over 6 times 4 over 9 okay so all together 3 over 54 plus 4 over 54 plus 12 over 54 equals to 19 over 54。通常我们做这样子的东西不是最后 product OK 我们的分母都会是一样的，所以你不用在这边先 simplify， 你先老老实实的乘 OK 最后的答案你才 simplify OK， 所以我们的这一个 probability 7.2跟7.3就到这边。